Hi there, this is Brian Tarian from the Disability Digest with some information I am in hopes will save you some money on your taxes, help you maximize your disability benefits. So here at the Disability Digest, since 2006, we have been advocating for individuals to help them get their disability benefits approved fast, hopefully. Keep your benefits and maximize your benefits. So whether you're going through the approval process or already approved, there'll be information in this video that will help you with your tax situation. Disclaimer, two-part. So I have my two fingers up. First is, I'm not a tax expert. I'm referring to government websites and different regulations that we've uncovered in this that you can use and reference for your own personal tax filing, or you can provide to your tax professional or expert. But just so that you know, I'm not a tax expert. Number two is, you need to pay your taxes. And this is the award letter for Social Security disability recipients that I have on the screen. And this year benefits may be taxed, as in every one that I've seen since I've been doing this since 2006, which means you have to pay your taxes. So if you're single, your income is more than $25,000, you'll be subject to taxes. Married, over $32,000. So that's point number one. In this video, I'm going to cover two areas to help you out. The first one I'm going to cover is a tax credit that you can take advantage of. And then the second one area of items that I'm going to cover are deductions that you can take advantage of. So the first item I'm going to cover is from the IRS website. It's topic number 502. And again, the link will be below this video. And this is a tax credit that allows you to deduct medical and dental expenses. And it says here during the taxable year when your expenses exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. An example of that would be if your adjusted gross income was $24,000 and your expenses exceeded $1,800, then you could use this tax credit. And you can use the tax credit, it's pretty broad. Down here it outlines like doctors, dentists, surgeons, inpatient, acupuncture, dental work. One of the areas down here is like for durable goods, like wheelchairs. Most Medicare coverage solutions pay 20% for durable goods, so you could take a big hit on that and then use this to help you out. So make sure that you're aware of item 502 from the IRS. Second one I've covered in other work that we did in 2023, so I'm just going to touch on this quickly. If you're subject to a 401k withdrawal distribution, then if you use that for housing or for medical expenses, then that changes your tax obligation. So make sure that you're aware of that, because if you don't do that, the taxes for withdrawing money from your 401k are quite steep, right? So that's the second point I want to cover with you. Next area of deductions is a side hustle. Maybe you have or you don't have your own home business, but the IRS allows you to run a business even at a loss and take some deductions. So that's something to consider. You know, if you don't have one, it's consider starting a business. And I have your cell phone here, or your computer, or maybe there's travel or research that you need to do. These are all things that maybe you're doing already, but if they're organized properly in a business, you can take advantage of the deductions. And in my opinion, I've been doing this since 2006. The best year that I mean, time that I've seen for people to create a side hustle or a home-based business is now. The opportunities are abundant that are out there. I mean, you can learn to do a lot of stuff on YouTube. You can transition that over and put it to work from your home. So I'm a little off track here, but it's just a great time for a side hustle. Okay, the next one is impairment-related work expenses. I'll put this up here so you can see a little better. This is item 4041567 of the Social Security Code, and which is all the rules that regulate what you can do or what you can't do. But if for you, in order to work, if it requires you to have items like mobility items to help with eating or toileting or transportation or anything like that, then those are deductions. And this is a long, extensive list. Even an emotional support animal is covered under these deductions. So make sure that you're aware of all of these and taking advantage of them. Right. So the ones that I covered, you got to pay your taxes, IRS 502, starting the 401k piece, understanding the impairment-related work expenses, and then starting a side hustle. I have the tips that we've gone over here, a little screen flash there. So I hope you find this helpful. For more information on how to get your benefits, keep them, maximize them, I encourage you to, of course, subscribe if you haven't done so already to our YouTube channel. We produce 3-4 videos a week, and there's over 1,000 that are already out there, so that would be helpful for you. The very best way that we can help you is if you join us as a member. And there's no charge to join us as a member, and up on the screen you'll see this is a part of our website where you can come in, learn more, click on a green button. But the value of doing that and how it will help you out is once you complete your membership profile, it helps us understand where you're at in the process. Maybe you are just starting, or you're still working, or want to know if you qualify, applied and denied, etc., or you've been approved. Then based on that and your conditions, we can get you the information that's the most relevant for you. So we can get you the right information, we can get you into the right support groups, invite you to the right events that we have going on that are in line with what you're doing. So there's no charge for the membership, and we encourage you to come on in, take advantage. Of course, you can totally unsubscribe at any time, but again, there's no charge for that. So I hope you find this helpful. If you've got other tips that you picked up or questions that you have, join us in the comments and stay tuned for more. Make it a great day.